How to fix verification code not received on Android. Welcome to Grid Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you are not able to receive the verification code in your messages on your Android device, then watch this video till the end. First of all, you want to open these settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on the option of Apps. Here you want to find Messages. Select your default messaging app, then tap on the permissions option. Here you want to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions for Messages application. That includes your contact, call logs, SMS and notifications. Once you make sure that all the relevant permissions are granted, you want to head back. Now scroll down and tap on Storage. Here you want to tap on Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, tap on Clear Data. Tap on the Delete option to delete all of the data. Once that is done, you want to open the Messages application and then check. If your issue is still not resolved, you want to tap on the Play Store option. Here you want to search for Messages. Make sure that your application is fully updated. If it is updated, you want to simply tap on the uninstall option, uninstall this application and then reinstall it and check, and that should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.